It's finally time to change a new case for my 10 years old car key. This I ordered from Amazon, made in China of course. Let's see what we have. We have the cover, the case, and we have some tools. It is quite similar product, little bit different, these pictures. Okay, let's see if this is easy to open. But then this one, I'm sure that this is not that easy. I've never opened this before. I only changed the battery a few times, and that's of course easy to do. I'm sure that this is a little bit more difficult. This, I don't know if there's a screw under this, but I don't think so. Of course I'm not so worried about breaking this one, this case, because I have a new one. I think I will just break it, force it open. Woo! Okay, that's the most important part, that I want to break this one. Now I want to look that is this original system mechanism, is it the same, or it looks pretty same. Here's one difference. This one is bigger than this new one, so that means that I can't use this old one with the new case because of this hole. Yeah, that's too big. Spring, old one is longer than this new one, that's much shorter. These seems to be quite similar, but they are not. The problem is that if I'm using this one with these new tools, this won't lock. So this mechanism is a little bit different. So that's why I have to use this new one. But that's not a problem. Put this new system there and the new spring. twice. Perfect. Oh my God. In this logo there is some kind of small nipples which should keep it in place without any glue. You can feel it a little bit more, it's not so flush than this original. I will change the battery at the same time, of course, because I don't even remember when I did that last time. And it's this 2032 model. Okay, next I will go and test that everything works. If it doesn't work, you can try to program it. Driver's door, lock, unlock with the key, then go inside and put the ignition on. It should program this key if it doesn't work, but let's see. It worked. Everything works. I'm very happy about this quality of this case. It was very easy job to do by yourself. No problems. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.